Welcome to ISSA 2025 to the NaceCare booth. What we're going to cover today is a little bit of the small space cleaning. Right now we're profiling the 4 different styles of small space cleaning with the Duplex Ultra 45, the Duplex Hybrid, the 220 from Pneumatic, and also the 440 from Pneumatic. Again, all in different types of small space cleaning. The operation of machines is completely simple and lightweight, easy to move around. The dual counter-rotating is a little different than norm of rotary cleaning. Easy to access the brushes, put the brushes on. The dual counter-rotating at 500, 750, or 1,000 RPMs throws the debris into a wet sweep capability. Wet sweep capability is picking up the debris. The beauty of the machines are the fact that this one battery is going to run the machine for 3 hours. Then the tank, which is easily removed, is going to run for 50 minutes, 50 minutes. So this tank is going to sit onto here. So this is going to run for 50 minutes per tank, 3 hours on the machine. The handle weight itself is only less than a pound of handle weight, goes all the way down to the floor, all the way to here. And again, this wet sweep capability and the operation of the machine, super simple, super easy. I did the operation, after the operation of the machine, take it, flip it, lock it into the upright position. The whole weight of the machine taking this off is 22 pounds. So it's easy to transport. One type of cleaning is there. Then again, you have cylindrical again. Now we're going to cylindrical. So we're running wall side, roller brushes, tank in the front, throwing the debris onto the rollers. The rollers spin and dumps the debris into the center hopper. This is also a hybrid, so it's going to run electric, regular tanks. It is going to run battery, regular tanks, and it's going to also run electric steam. So it's going to take water from the one side, feed it into the steam boiler down to this side here. Access the trigger control for the height adjustment, squeezing the trigger, lowering the handle. Now this is going to give you the ability to clean the surface, but also to activate steam. The 170 degrees going down to the floor is going to help emulsify the soils. This is all done without having to use chemical. Plus I can go from tile to rubber, to rubber cement, to rubber diamond plate, or to carpet, or to turf. So it's a multi-purpose machine. Then we get to the rotary style. You have 2 different types of rotaries. You got a 9-inch rotary, an 18-inch rotary. These are utilizing, again, lithium batteries, running the machines for 1 hour and 45 minutes or 1 hour and a half. Again, popping the heads for storage, kicking it, operating the machines. Again, super simple, trigger control, squeegee control, activating the main switch. So from one small version to a larger version, again, now we're an 18 pop, trigger control. This is the flex, so that the flex tube is dispersing some of the weight that's in the handle. So the weight itself is not fatiguing the operator. They're able to pop it, trigger control as well, back down, click, lock into position. So this is just 4 different styles of small cleaning, small space cleaning. be it cylindrical for hard floor, cylindrical for carpet and hard floor, or rotary for hard floor. Thank you.